How to fix Snapchat media upload problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat media upload problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can tap on your Bitmoji on the top left here. And after you do that, tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you're on your settings page, simply scroll down and under privacy controls you'll see clear data. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, on the bottom you'll find clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and clear your cache. After you clear out your cache for your Snapchat, check if the problem's been fixed. If that didn't fix your problem, head over to your app store, tap on app store and open it up, and head over to the search bar. On the search bar, simply search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, tap on the update button to update the app. And updating the app will fix the issue because the problem can sometimes be due to bugs and issues which get fixed in app updates. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.